Hi, I'm Jasmine and I was sent this NDI 6-in-1 non-invasive moisture meter to check out for you. This is what the moisture meter looks like. It's super easy to use. You just hold the power button, turns on there. And depending on what you're using it on, you can use it on drywall, cement board, softwood, or hardwood. A lot of other moisture meters use a pin. This one is super easy to use. You just put it against the surface you want to measure. My hand is apparently really clammy because that's very high, and it will tell you if there is moisture. Down here on the bottom, it also has the room temperature and the RH percentage. You can also hold it once you get it on the settings you like. This would be great to use in a bathroom, in your garage, any areas where you think you might have a leak. It would also work great to measure the moisture level in your basement. Let's go try this out on a few surfaces in my house. All right, this here is a closet that I'm constantly cleaning mold out of. You can see I even painted it. And I'm just gonna put this on here. It's on drywall. And it is showing some moisture, but really not much. Let's follow this as we move up the wall. And this is normally where I find it, but you can see it does have a higher percentage up there. My house is over 30 years old. This is an original window to the house, and it shows it's still in the green, but that is concerningly high to me. I don't have any cement board, so I just came out in the garage to try it on the cement. And it looks like the cement in the garage is fine. And then a hardwood is pretty low. Overall, I think that this works really well. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.